mind can achieve rest. ನೀವೇನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಿರೋದು ಆಗತ್ತೆ ರೀ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್. ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If your mind is positively programmed, even in the company of wrong people also, you will not become wrong. You may be with Rakshasas, maybe you have to do money. You can't expect your producer to be a sannyasi. Your producer will be a Rakshasa. Okay? Your co-actors will be a Rakshasas. They are not tuned to this kind of life. Okay? They are so madly after success, so madly after money. Recently we went to audiology, we saw that. People are all full of dreams. Film land, oh my God, I love it. So, how many people get manifested? Very few, 1%, 2% success. How many people sustain it? Sir, how many people sustain the success? Very less.
Sir, I have a question. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅವರು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
One thing is, see, when I wrote a book, Zero to Hero, that was the main thing. We are zeros. We start from the journey as a zero. Okay, this is a book. It's getting translated. Sar is doing translation. Okay, now when you are a zero, that means shunya. Shunyadalli idya. Adu laukika, adu adhyatmika. Zero is a very pure spiritual word. Okay, shunya, empty. Okay, and you become a hero. The heroism is from a Western concept. Please understand. The hero is not Indian concept. It's an American and a Western concept. Hero means I'm not exactly hero on screen. You become successful. You are the hero of your life. Okay, you are the hero of your life. You are the heroine of your life. You become successful. ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ, ಉತ್ತುಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟಾಗ್ತೀಯ. ಆಗ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆಗುವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಝೀರೋಯಿಂದ ಹೀರೋ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಹೀರೋ ಆದಮೇಲೆ the problem starts not when you are zero. The problem starts when you are a hero. There's a famous statement which I always give is, you can manage losses, not easy to manage profits. Please understand. You can manage failures, not necessarily success. As so many people have success stories, we both know it. And afterwards, what has happened? Why they couldn't sustain it? They make statements. And I am the market. I am the king. The statements goes back against them. It's a gamble. They lose whatever they have. Okay? They lose people, the money, the family. People are committed suicides. So what the concept of zero to hero is, be in an anchor to an eternal zero. That's all. Be in that zero. Go 1 furlong, 1 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 1000 kilometers. Again anchor. Go back. Go back to that zero. Where maybe Rajkumar, Rajnikant, and Amitabh Bachchan, somewhere they are connected spiritually to some spirit, some higher spirits. So they could manage the success. Why not others? That's a different story. Certain levels there. Okay? Why they have people around Uttishta Garuda Dhwaja, Uttishta Kamalakanta. It's simple. The moment you become hero, you have a katori, you will bring it. The same people will, without your knowledge, will bring it out. If somebody is doing Uttishta, ask them, go 10 feet away. If somebody is criticizing you, ask him, come, what is the criticism you want? Come, what is the criticism you want? The people who criticizes builds you. The people who appreciates you too much will take you to your wrong route. If you get addicted to that appreciation, very wrong. Again, there is no theory in subconscious mind. You become successful. Out of necessity, people become rich. But the subconscious mind is so in poverty, subconscious mind is so insecure, they go back to the same zone. Even if you give 10 crores, 100 crores, the insecure mind is intact. When I go back to the footpath, I don't know. Let us make more money. Let us make more money. Okay. The whole life they go. Some Swamiji will go, you will die within 5 years, please write all half of your property to me, you will live longer. That's all. So what he will do, he will ask you to sit and relax and meditate. That's all. He will not do anything, making crores of rupees. So to do that, we have not collected any money. We are simply telling, why don't you do it today itself? If somebody can relax and sit quiet in a corner and meditate, can bring you down your problems, why not you do it today? Why you have to pay crores of rupees for that? Okay, these are the different dimensions, calm mind and upset mind, how it. Okay? Don't worry about all these theories. This is for people who are young like Krishna and all. Please do it. Okay, it's very important. Write your goals. Okay, you don't. What I have done actually. Okay, even I have yellow slips even now. When you write your goals, it is a more of affirmation. It's a deep affirmation that even the kind of figures, money, sometimes you own somebody some 10 lakhs, you are taken for building a house. Suppose the programming should be done like this. I am financially free. It's not a negative. I want 10 lakhs. That means you are limiting yourself to 10 lakhs. Okay? What you can do is, I want to be financially free. That means I should not have any outstanding. Okay. It's a very simple word. It is a very simple word, and so even in tomorrow also, I want to be financially free so that I can do whatever my heart says. Okay? If your Mercedes Benz is giving you happiness, please have it. Okay? Please have it. If your some goal is giving you happiness, please pursue it. If not pursuing, there's no need. Okay? And visualize and repeat. I don't know. This more mantra writing your goals, visualize and repeat. Most of your goals and dreams are manifesting. Okay? Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Just take a deep breath 3 times. Deep breath. Deepest breath. Take a deep breath. Repeat in the mind. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better. ದಿನೇ ದಿನೇ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಉತ್ತಮಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Just do this crazy work, no problem. Give a chance. ನನಗೆ ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂತಹ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. I love everybody. Everybody loves me. Everybody cooperates with me. Every day in every way I am becoming healthier, better. Please remember, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ತಥಾಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Please don't use negative language. Use positive language. I can do it. ನಾನು ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನನಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Go on repeating such positive and present tense. It should not be in a future tense. It is present positive. I am healthy, not I am going to be healthy. I am successful. Please tell in a way it's already happened. Don't tell I am going to be successful. I will be happy. I am happy. I am successful. I am healthy. I am useful to others. I am rich in all resources. I am resourceful. I am influential. I am famous. I am reaching out to people. So you attract what you are like. Please understand. Vivekananda ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, whatever the kind of thoughts you have, same kind of thoughts, feelings will come back to you. So thoughts and feelings are interconnected. Have good thoughts, you will have good feelings. Okay. You can write down these kind of affirmations, whatever goes. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Or you can read a book and meditate. So you can contemplate on the book in the meditation. Please do this repeatedly. Every day. A minimum for 40 days. Of course, meditation you can do it forever. But this kind of subconscious programming works only with 40 days. Or minimum of 21 days. So, always remember what you go on repeatedly giving inputs to your mind, it will happen. You have a role to play in the universe, please understand. Please know that role. And life will throw a lot of challenges. Take it. One who knows the language of the universe will be more courageous. Wherever your passion lies, your treasure also lies. Lost, don't worry about it. So these kind of affirmations you can do every day, in every way. I'm becoming healthier, better and better. Half an hour every day. This kind of. Take a deep breath 3 times. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Just open your eyes with a smile. This is the book which I was referring, Joseph Murphy. Okay. ಒಂದು ಕಪ್ಪೆಗಳು, a group of frogs were having a race, okay, on a staircase.